In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Google Wallet effortlessly on your Samsung device. Have you ever been frustrated trying to find the quickest way to bring up Google Wallet only to see Samsung Wallet pop up instead? Well, today, I'll guide you on how you can set your Google Wallet app for easy access with just a double click of a button. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the default setting on most Samsung devices. You may have noticed that swiping up from the bottom of your screen usually opens the Samsung Wallet, but there's no built-in option to replace this with Google Wallet. While you can't change this default behavior directly, there's a straightforward way to set up Google Wallet for easy and quick access using the side key on your phone. To start, let's navigate to your phone's settings. Look for the gear icon, which you'll find typically on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you open the settings, you'll want to scroll down until you find the section labeled Advanced Features. This is where you can customize various functionalities of your device, including what certain buttons can do. After selecting Advanced Features, you'll see a variety of options aimed at enhancing your device's performance and user experience. Focus on the section that involves the side button, sometimes also referred to as the power button. Tap on Side button and you'll be greeted by a few options for what this button can control. Next, click on Open App, which will bring up a list of available applications on your phone. Here, it's crucial to carefully scroll down until you locate the Google Wallet app among your installed applications. Select Google Wallet and thereby set it as your preferred app for the side key function. Once you've done this, you've successfully configured your Samsung side key for Google Wallet. Now, whenever you want to access Google Wallet quickly, simply double-click the side key and it will pop open, ready for your use. With this method, you don't need to sift through multiple apps or fight with Samsung Wallet to get to your Google Wallet, making transactions and managing your digital finances that much smoother and quicker. It's a small change, but one that can save you time and streamline your day-to-day interactions with your device. And there you have it, easy access to your Google Wallet just by double-clicking the side button on your Samsung device. Try it out and see how it can make your digital transactions even more seamless. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.